Today I am going to discuss about osmosis in solutions. In nature, we observe so many phenomena. For example, raw mangoes shrivel when pickled in brain water, that is salt water, or wilted flowers revive when placed in fresh water. These phenomena are due to osmosis. First, I will explain osmosis. I took two beakers. In this beaker, I took solvent, and in this beaker, I took solution, and these two beakers are joined through semi-permeable membrane. Semi-permeable membrane is a membrane which consists small pores through which only small molecules like water molecules can flow, but big molecules such as solute molecules do not flow or do not pass through these holes. Okay, this is called as semi-permeable membrane. Before osmosis, the water level or solvent level is here. When we put a semi-permeable membrane here, some of the solvent passes through semi-permeable membrane, and due to this, the level of solution increases. The level of solution increases. Okay. Before osmosis, the level of solution is here, and before osmosis, the level of solvent is here. Due to osmosis, some of the solvent passes through semi-permeable membrane towards solution. Due to this, the level of solvent decreases. Level of solvent decreases. Okay. After osmosis, this is before osmosis. So here also it is after osmosis. Osmosis continues until a equilibrium is established. Okay, and the flow of solvent molecule through semi-permeable membrane known as osmosis. Okay, we write definition of osmosis. So, flow of solvent molecules through SPM, that is semi-permeable membrane. Flow of solvent molecules through semi-permeable membrane to solution side. Is known as osmosis. Okay. Example for semi-permeable membrane, there are two types. One is natural semi-permeable membranes and one more synthetic. For natural, pig bladder or parchment. For synthetic, cellophane or cellular. Now we will discuss osmotic pressure. Okay. Here the pressure P equals to atmospheric, and here also the pressure equals to P atmospheric. Okay. In order to prevent the flow of solvent molecules from solvent side to solution side, we must apply a pressure on solution side, that is pi. Okay, we must apply a pressure on solution side which is known as osmotic pressure, due to which the flow of solvent molecule from solvent side to solution side will be prevented. Okay, now I will define the osmotic pressure. The excess pressure applied on solution side to prevent the flow of solvent or osmosis is known as osmotic pressure. Okay, this osmotic pressure depends on concentration of solution. Pi depends on concentration of solution. Now we'll see reverse osmosis. Reverse osmosis and purification of seawater. Of seawater. Okay, if we apply pressure greater than pi, if we apply pressure greater than pi, that is osmotic pressure, if we apply pressure higher than osmotic pressure on solution side, the solvent present in solution flows through or passes through semi-permeable membrane towards solvent side. This is known as reverse osmosis. If pressure greater than pi or osmotic pressure is applied on solution side, then solvent from solution flows towards solvent. This is known as reverse osmosis. Okay. This reverse osmosis is used to purify seawater. We know this seawater consists so many salts which are not drinkable. By reverse osmosis we get pure water. In this process cellulose acetate is used as semi-permeable membrane.